In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group text here in Canva. So I have this text just here. These two are completely separate, as we can see, and what we're going to do is just simply group these together. Now to do this is really easy. All that we want to do is simply click, hold down, drag, and select. So as we can see, if we do that, this is going to group these two texts together. Then once we've done that, if we let go, now these are grouped together. Now we can even go one step further and completely group these together by clicking here on the group button. And now that is just one element. So instead of it being two, that is now one. And if we wanted to ungroup this as well, we can simply click onto the text, click onto ungroup, and now these two are separate again. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to group text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.